For this video, the seller sent over this beautiful toy storage unit. Now, what you're gonna first notice about this is just how well built it is, and the functionality of this is absolutely amazing, especially if you have little kids and you're trying to figure out a great way to store and organize their toys. So let me show you a little bit about it. Now up here on top, you do have 4 different compartments that you can go ahead and store things in, keep it nice and organized. They are all divided with these little gray slats, which is really nice because if you want a larger area, you can go ahead and customize it however you want. And they just slide right in to create that division. Now, what I really love about this spot up top is if you have kids of all different ages and you have little ones that you want to keep certain toys out of their reach, this is a great area for that. Now coming down here, this is what I use for like a bookshelf. You can store different things on here. We love putting our library books on here every week when we get them. It's just a great open spot, easy for the kids to get to, and it's really large too. It's nice and deep and it has a nice little lip on the back so things aren't going to fall off the back. Now going down to the bottom is really cool. You have this spot here that you can go ahead and open up. Slides nice and smooth so the kids aren't going to pinch their fingers. And then in here is such a large space that you can keep so many different toys, and it's nice and out of the way, which I love. You can put the lid down and you're not going to see it in the room. It's going to make things look nice and clean for you. And this part too also is on wheels. So you can go ahead and slide it out for easy access for your toys and then push it back in when you're done. Now on this lid, the other side of it is actually a black chalkboard, which is really nice. It makes it fun for your kids. You can go ahead and draw on that. I like to have it flipped the other way because the white just matches my room a little bit better, which is really nice that you have that option to go ahead, and it's really easy to go ahead and flip. So if you decide you want the chalkboard side, you can flip it really fast. This was really easy to put together. The instructions were super simple to follow. And like I said, this is just really, really great quality. It's super durable. The wood's really nice and sturdy, and it's gonna keep up for you for a long time in your house. So if you're looking for a great way to store and organize your toys, but you're looking for something that's aesthetically pleasing, this toy storage unit is a great option. Thanks for watching.